Our 3 glass door merchandiser refrigerator. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have at least a length of 64.25 inches. Height with caster wheels, 79.5 inches. Without the caster wheels, we have at least 76.5 inches. Overall depth, we have 27.25 inches. Included will be 12 adjustable shelves, 4 on each row. The measurements for each shelf will include 17.5 inches in length with a depth of at least 19.5 inches. That's the measurement for each shelf. And the interior measurements from the length left to right, we have at least 60.5 inches and a depth of at least 21.75 inches. Overall height from the bottom, 53 inches tall. Included will be a left and right LED strip. Coming to the bottom will be your power and light switch. The light switch that can turn on the LED strip on the left and right corner, along with the top acrylic. These 2 switches can be turned on separately or simultaneously for operation. And coming here will be your temperature control for operating this refrigerator. And coming to the back will be your 110/120 voltage. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you. That one or no?